You're looking for how to buy shares of Align Technology, Inc. Align Technology is a medical devices and digital orthodontics company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker ALGN, and this video is educational and not financial advice. To buy ALGN, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will typically verify the account with an ID and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker ALGN to find the stock listing. Select the result that explicitly matches Align Technology, Inc. to ensure you have the correct asset. On the asset page, review the company overview and the price chart to understand recent movement. Confirm the page shows Align Technology, Inc. and the ticker ALGN before proceeding to order. Tap Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm to submit the trade. If the market is closed, the order may execute at the next session, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. After execution, your ALGN position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to the example platform is in the description if you want to follow the same steps shown.